Welcome to Future Fashion Designers YouTube channel. I'm Shawnelle, and I started a school in North Carolina in 2010, and I teach kids and adults how to sew, specifically fashion sewing. I was a fashion designer in Los Angeles back in the 90s. Went to design school in the 80s to FIDM, and then became a costume designer in the mid-90s, and I've done over 30 films, feature films, where I got to really be creative. Love it. Still do a few films here and there, but I love to do comedies because they have I love to make people laugh. So on this channel, we have weekly videos. They come out on Saturday mornings, and they're all about the sewing techniques that will help you improve your sewing and also to be more creative. I love sewing projects, sort of like this one behind me, that just take some regular fabric and tie-dye it and put some piping in it and change it around and make a really cool design that nobody else has. So be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell for the notifications, and it will warn you when the videos are out. So I'll see you in the next video.